Today, I'm going to show you how to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Whether you want to save important messages or just keep a record, it's pretty straightforward, so let's get started. The easiest way to download your Messenger conversation is through Facebook's data download feature. Let's walk through that process. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or visit the Facebook website. Make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the three horizontal bars. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Again, scroll down until you find your Facebook information. Here, you can find access to your information, download your information, transfer a copy of your information. Since we are going to download our information, tap on download your information. Click on continue. Click on download or transfer information again. Choose your Facebook account, click on next. Here you will see various types of options that the data you can download. Simply click on specific types of information and deselect everything or select only messages and click on next. Here you can choose where to download the data files. Click on download to device, or you can simply transfer to certain destinations. You can also schedule when the download should be downloaded. After choosing everything, click on download, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your Facebook Messenger chat conversation.